Data is the new science, and big data holds the answers. These are the words of the Chief Executive Officer at VMware. For today's technologically advanced world, everything depends on data. It has the power to gain votes during elections and even take down governments. In the past few years, especially after the coronavirus struck, almost all the companies have moved more than 50% of their workload on the digital platform. Big data powered AI and ML models have shot up more than since the arrival of Tesla, who introduced self driving cars, and also by the introduction of smart assistants like Alexa and Siri. This has created a lot of job openings for data scientists and especially ML model testers. So now is the right time to ask questions like, are you ready to take a transition into data science field? Do you want to upgrade your skill set with the hottest field of 21st century by specializing for QA or automation in the data science sector? Well, if it's a yes, then look no more. We'll be discussing exactly this, and you will get to know whether you should change your job role from being a traditional QA automation engineer to becoming a data science expert in this domain. Let's start with the scope of becoming a data science expert in the field of quality assessment. Well, since data science is being implemented in almost every field, whether it is health sector, defense, finance, or just an IT-based software company, every sector aims to create ML or AI model nowadays to automate tasks. These models require clear understanding of data and proper testing before they are termed as perfectly working models. Here comes the job of a quality assessment data science expert. Now, if you are interested in this, here's how you can get a smooth career transition into data science in just 3 simple steps. First is to know whether you have an interest in working with huge amount of data. This skill requires mathematical and statistical understanding merged with programming languages to work on the big data. Hence, start by learning about languages like Python, R, Java, and SQL being the most important one. You can take up online courses for the basics of programming languages and try to clear global certifications for the same. For example, a certification by Microsoft on Python programming language. If you are a fresher, it is advisable to go for courses on statistics and database management, which comes under the basic category for starting a journey in this field. The second step is all about finding that one job role that you would like to pursue under the quality assessment or automation field in the data science sector. There are many roles if you want to take a career transition in data science, like working on only testing of the machine learning models, checking their accuracy, and giving confusing metrics to it so as to see how is the performance of the model. Termed as ML model testers, this job role is the most suitable for people from quality assessment department. The second most famous work you can do in this field is handle data. Working on data and checking its quality along with relevancy for a machine learning or artificial intelligence model development. In short, quality assessment of just the data set or big data that you are going to use. The third and the last step after choosing your job role and work is of getting top-notch learnings of the right tools, knowledge, and hands-on work experience. Getting a certificate of the very famous course on data science along with a real-time project to show your relevancy is very important. Now, you must be wondering where you can get this from. Well, we have got you covered. Join Skillslash. We offer 100% live interactive sessions through skilled industry experts who have in-depth knowledge and relevant industry experience in data science field. With a 3-year subscription, you can get relevant details of the courses and its complete access at any time after the completion of the course. This would help you if you face any doubts while starting your career in the data science field after taking a transition. Adding to this, services like domain specific training, elective tracks, options to build your own course and project, along with free counseling before enrolling, is a complete package to start your journey for taking a smooth career transition. Moreover, get the opportunity to be recommended for jobs, work with companies from the industry on industrial projects from your domain, and receive a direct company certification for the real time work you put in as a professional quality assessment or automation data scientist.